Concrete floor preparation is one of the most important steps in any flooring or coating project. Whether you're removing paint, leveling high spots, or preparing a slab for epoxy, using the right equipment and using it correctly makes all the difference. Before you begin grinding, take a moment to inspect the work surface. Look for cracks, uneven joints, or foreign objects like nails, screws, or pipes. Next, check the diamond tooling and grinding plates to ensure they are sharp, properly installed, balanced, and free of cracks or damage. Adjust the grinding plate height and make sure the grinder sits level on the surface. Use the built-in bubble level as a reference. Proper leveling ensures full contact with the floor and even grinding results. Plan your dust control before starting. You can either connect an industrial vacuum to the dust port or use water for wet grinding. Always wear proper personal protective equipment, including eye protection, hearing protection, gloves, steel-toe boots, and a dust mask or respirator rated for silica dust. To start the grinder, make sure it is clear of walls and obstructions. Then plug it into a GFCI protected outlet. Raise the grinding plates off the floor and start the motor by turning the red switch on the starter box. Once the motor is running, lower the grinding plates onto the surface and begin grinding. Keep the machine moving at all times to avoid gouging the concrete. Use a smooth side-to-side motion with overlapping passes. If needed, adjust the grinder's level during operation. When you're finished grinding, turn the red switch counterclockwise to stop the motor and allow the grinding plates to come to a complete stop before moving the machine. After use, unplug the machine and then fold the handles down. Clean all dust and debris from the grinder and store the machine in a safe, dry location on level ground. Secure it as needed to prevent tipping. Following these steps will help ensure safe operation, consistent results, and a longer service life from your Tomahawk concrete grinder.